Welcome back, friends. So here's my take on the brand new Tiger 850 and the Tiger 900. So off we went to test ride a brand new Tiger 850 and 900. The 850 is a decent machine, but it's a bare bones Tiger. All the features are up there in the 900 GTs and above, and those are damn expensive bikes. But here's what: the Rally Pro being the most loaded machine in terms of power and the kit it offers, the new Tiger range has everything that the older 800 series offer, and in a much better way. However, the traditional engine intake whistle slash whine of the triple is missing. The new T-plane engines are a hoot to drive. The power delivery is linear and just about awesome. I just liked it. I loved it. I had our good friend UV for company and we did a back-to-back test ride of the 850 followed by the 900. So first I test rode the Tiger 850. I liked it. Good power but not scary. 85 PS, 82 Nm of torque and good torque delivery across the low and mid range. Doesn't die on you at any time, doesn't knock at lower speeds and higher gears. The Tigers gobbled up speed breakers and potholes like nobody's business. The ride is plush and settled, no drama anywhere. Just keep riding all day long, day in and day out. It will not disappoint. This was a very comprehensive test ride for the Tiger 850, I mean, it must have taken us almost 10-15 to complete that ride, 900. So I've just cut it short a bit, tried to cut it short a bit, but let's see how it goes. So overall, I feel I like the 850, I like the 900 even more, but they are too heavy on the pocket. Too heavy on the pocket. I don't know. The Triumph service is also pretty cheap compared to the other brands. So the maintenance costs are low, cost of ownership is low, but the initial money that you have to shell out is pretty high. That is what my takeaway is. And then we need to figure out whether that's the right bike for us, and let's see.
I don't want to shop. I want to buy this. I don't have money to buy.
Then it was time for me to exchange and ride the 900. This specimen had some performance end cam. It was quite loud but nice to the ears. Having ridden the NT with the grease house end cans, I would not plunk an end can on my new bike anytime soon. The years keep ringing, sometimes after having ridden 600 kilometers in a day. So the 900 was just awesome. The additional 10 was correct. It went to push above the mid-range and this was also freely because of the performance exhaust. I actually did not want to ride the 900 because I knew I would love it. But still, better to test ride and know what it has to offer. Well, the 900 is very expensive, comes in at a price point of around 20 lakhs, and the 850 also comes at a huge price point for a bare bones Tiger. I mean, it was 14.94 lakhs on road in Pune. Then you end up spending at least a lakh more to add on panniers, bark busters, aux lights, guards, main stand and whatnot. It could even go beyond 1 lakh. So on road, a Tiger 850 with such less power would cost you somewhere around 16 lakhs, a bit more than that. The Tiger 900 Rally Pro with all the accessories loaded costs close to 20 lakhs only. Very expensive bloody. Kare to kya kare? Now I am thinking, how do I put 15 big ones on a bare bones motorcycle and then again spend a lakh more on accessories to make it worth doing? It is time to take a real hard look at my priorities. We had collected good data points up until now, but we had missed out on another brand which has launched more models in India than any other brand, is in the Indian market for quite some time, is reliable, is Japanese by the way, and has lots more to offer, similar to the Europe.